Let's take a look at how to repair parts within Autodesk Netfabb. Sometimes when you choose to add a part, you'll be asked to repair it. Automatic repair, manual repair, ignore errors, or cancel. Generally, we hit automatic repair. Today, this time, we're going to hit ignore so we can take a look at this. So this is just a very small little feature print. And what we're going to do is we've got the part selected. We're going to go up to repair part. And it's going to open a totally different menu. All right, so what we have here on the right-hand side is there are some statistics you can see about the STL if you want to perform some further actions. We have more details here. What we're going to do is actually go to automatic repair, where we have three options. We have the default repair, simple repair, and extended. Generally, the default repair does what we need it to. If you wanted to do the extended, you certainly can. And if you decide that you want more detail, you can adjust that over in the right side panel. If there are severe problems, you may need to actually go back and edit the original STL. So the part is repaired. It's looking good. Now let's say I've pulled in a part, such as this skate park, and I notice that as I'm trying to add text to the surface, we've got some issue with some triangles kind of running into each other that doesn't allow me to label. So I might need to try to repair this part with the extended repair to see if that helps. And if that doesn't do the trick, what I'm looking for, I really may need to look at how is the STL being brought in, and maybe editing some of my statistics in the status bar on the right-hand side. And once we choose Apply Repair, we're going to choose to remove old part. If you don't choose Remove Old Part, it will keep the same part within the same profile. There'll be two parts there. We'll look at that later. If you have a file imported into your Netfabb and you notice that it doesn't have tessellation quality that you are looking for, that is not something that can always be fixed in part repair, this would be an issue where I would want to go back to the original CAD file and export as a finer file size. And that's part repair.